Like a shark circling its prey, winter's got us, and it's going to be a bit of a mess of a day tomorrow. So let's get into it. So, for starters, we have got a weather impact alert out, and this is going to be for tomorrow, Sunday, December 28th, into Monday morning of the 29th for strong wind gusts and quite the mixed bag of precipitation. We are looking at things on Sunday starting the day as rain showers. Temperatures will be warm enough, but the cold air is going to be starting to come in as we head towards midday. That's when we're going to see the switch over to some freezing rain, maybe even some sleet kind of mixing in. This period of mixed precipitation is going to be brief before we see the switch to all snow. And you factor in the winds that are going to be upwards of 45, possibly even up to 50 miles per hour, and some fresh snowfall. This is going to cause some travel issues, visibility issues, especially in north central Iowa, where we are expecting the higher snowfall totals. Could see blizzard like conditions when you factor in those winds and the fresh snow. Be prepared for a mess of a day tomorrow for our Sunday. Heading into Monday morning, feels like temperatures are going to drop into the minus teens and blowing snow will continue to be a problem. So, this is looking to be our return back to much more December and January like temperatures and overall weather.